Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bill.com account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the login process for your Bill.com account, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.bill.com and press enter. Once the Bill.com homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see two main fields, one for your email address and one for your password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you wish to save your login details for future use, you may check the Remember Me box. Once both fields are filled out, click on the login button. If the information you entered is correct, you will be logged into your Bill.com account. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. You will then be prompted to enter your email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email and follow the instructions provided in the password reset email. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email address and the new password you created. Click the login button again. Once logged in, you can begin managing your financial transactions with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.